Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Thryss. If you are new, welcome, and if you are a returning little yarn gremlin, welcome back. So today I have a much anticipated yarn review, swatch and wash test of Goucher's String of Pearls. So this is a lovely little yarn. I'm just going to start off saying out the gate, 10 out of 10 do recommend, big fan. Excuse me. So after I show you my swatches, I'm going to take you over to her site and show you the different colors and give you all the information, like what it's made of, yardage, price, everything like that. And as always, if you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button and the thumbs up, and leaving a comment in the comment section, even if it's just an emoji. These are the best ways to help a channel grow, and I am trying to grow. I'd like to hit 10K by the end of the year. We still have about 7 weeks for that to happen, and I know we can do it. We're very, very close, less than 200 away, so I would really appreciate that. Okay, so I worked up 2 different swatches. I should have blocked my pineapple stitch swatch, probably. So sorry, but okay. So this was worked up with a 4mm. That's a lie. This was worked up with a 3.5mm hook. So I want to show you, the pearls are so delicate. I love that. I wouldn't like it if it had big pearls on it. I'm confident in saying that. I like that they're delicate little pearls. Here is a pearl, right here, there is a pearl on the other side. You can move the pearls up and down the strand of yarn to where you can bring it over to whichever side you want to. So if you don't think that there's enough pearls on this side, there's this many on the other side. You can bring them all forward. Okay. So let me show you this. All right, this is the construction of the yarn. It looks like it's 2 strands held together, one of them holding the pearl, and you can literally move it up and down the strand if you want to change. Let's say you're crocheting and you want it in the middle of like this scallop or shawl or whatever you want to call that. You want it, somewhere here in the middle. You can adjust it to where it lands where you want it to, which is really cool. The cotton that the pearls are strung on is really soft. It's really nice. I'm actually surprised that there's not like bamboo or silk in here, because it just, like, it does not feel like the typical mercerized cotton that I'm used to. It's really soft. It's a really lovely cotton. Okay, so that is that swatch. Excuse all the strings. I'm using this for a different project and I didn't want to cut the swatches off. So I just kind of finagled it a little bit. Okay, so this stitch is a primrose stitch. I wanted to show a more, like a less lacy construction, and I also wanted to show what it looked like held together with Goucher's Bamboo 139 yarn. Another absolutely lovely yarn. So this is a DK, this is a sport weight yarn. So held together, this is about the thickness. It's it's a thick DK held together. I think you could work up a pattern, a DK or a light worsted pattern with those two together, but this is the primrose stitch, and this is what it looks like worked up. You've got the pearls on both sides. Again, you can shift them over all to one side if you want to, but it still has a lovely drape. So I worked these up with a 4.5 millimeter. And it's just, it feels so nice. So I really, really like this yarn a lot. Now I'm going to be working this up probably in more of a lacy stitch, kind of like the pineapple, if not the pineapple itself. But it's really strong. Oh, let me show you how it frogs. Now, mind you, this is the pearl yarn and the bamboo together. It still frogs beautifully. No issues whatsoever. So let me put that back in there so we don't get a tangled up mess. But I am going to go over to the website and show you all the different colors and give you the breakdown of this yarn. But just know, I definitely approve. I think it is a beautiful addition to any project. I think where it's going to stand out the most is a lacy sort of thing, like a shawl, a shawlette, a nice like lacy cover up. You could run this with, she also has sequins yarn. You could run this with a sequins yarn and the bamboo and make just an out of this world, sparkly, pearly, gorgeous something. But I do not think you will be disappointed at all. It is beautifully, it is wonderfully made, and it holds up really well. I did wash this and I just let it air dry. I did not notice any shrinkage. I did not notice any feathering out or fluffing out of the yarn. So I think it washes up beautifully as well. Both of them, the bamboo and the pearl together, washes up really nice. So we are going to head over to Goucher.com. Okay, so we are on Goucher.com and we are looking at the string of pearls. So there are 28 different colors. Right here is just showing 24. I'll show you the other 4. So taking a deeper look at these, we have some of them have white pearl, some of them have rainbow, pastel, stuff like that. Most of them are white. So on this page, the beige, camel, gold, red, and bright pink all have the white pearl, and this burgundy has pastel pearls. So I'm zooming in for you to see that. So this is what they all look like. You can pause on the screen if I get to one that you want to take a closer look at, so you can zoom in. Okay. On this page, the pale pink, the hunter green, the light blue, and the turquoise have the white pearl. And the dusty coral has pastel pearls. So that's what that looks like. And the light lime has green pearls. Looks like it's different shades of green. Looks like 3, maybe 4 different colors of green pearl. And then the rest is white. Ooh, that hunter green. That hunter green looks very pretty. On this page, so does that navy blue. the royal blue, which is what I'm showing, which is what I've showed you, the navy blue, slate blue, lavender, mauve, and purple all have the white pearl. Okay. The khaki, the porpoise, silver, gray, and black all have the white pearl. And this black has rainbow. So there you can see the rainbow. Here's the silver, the khaki, the porpoise, the gray, the black. And then the last four are different versions of white. So we have white with white pearls. I can't see them just because it's white on white, but they're there. White with rainbow pearl. White with blue and green. And then white with pink and gold. That's pretty. So, cost is $19. I'm going to give you some information. The yarn weight is a number 2 fine, fingering baby sport. It's 100% mercerized cotton and pearls. There's 28 colors available, 13 ounces, 360 grams, 1,100 yards, or 1,000 meters. The whip is 23 per inch. The gauge 4x4 is 28 stitches in 12 rows using a 2.5 millimeter hook. And you want to hand wash, do not tumble dry, lay flat to dry, do not bleach. From Florida, USA, USPS within 1 to 3 days. I always get my orders super fast. And she does have a brick and mortar shop in Florida. I would love to go visit. So, that is the string of pearls. So that is all the colors, all the info on this beautiful yarn. Let me know below if you plan to get any of them and what you plan to do with it. I love you guys' ideas. You guys are so creative. And as far as this swatch goes, this pineapple stitch swatch, this was done by Crystal over at Bag O' Day. This was from one of her wrap patterns. I'll leave it linked below if you want to learn how to make this stitch and do it on a grander scale and make a beautiful garment out of it. You can do that, and I think this yarn would work up beautifully on that pattern. So I think that's it. I hope everybody is doing safe and well, and I will see you guys later. Bye.